go to your favorite browser, then search for OpenCore Legacy Patcher Mod by Lal Bamick in GitHub. Then click for Actions. Click the C I build WX Python. Then click the latest commit, making sure you have a GitHub account to download AUTOP cassettes to package or oclpmod.package. After downloading, follow the instructions, making sure you have an internet. oclpmod will download KDK for your Tahoe Beta 2. Wait until finished. Your Tahoe Beta 2 will automatically restart after installing.